I'm just an ordinary servant, willing to be used for whatever you have for me to do. Just an ordinary servant, maybe least qualified, but I offer you a sacrificial life. For I believe if you can use a shepherd boy and turn him into a king, then I believe that your ordinary servant has an extraordinary purpose. Lord, use me for whatever you please. I'm just an ordinary servant, willing to be used for whatever you have for me to do. Just an ordinary servant, maybe least qualified, but I offer you a sacrificial life. You can use a shepherd boy and turn him into a king. I believe that your ordinary servant has an extraordinary purpose. Lord, use me for whatever